how do you say I'm sorry in French? If you want to say I'm sorry in French, you can say Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. For example, Je suis désolé, je ne voulais pas te blesser. Je suis désolé, je ne voulais pas te blesser. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. If you're female, then you have to add an extra E to the end of désolé to make it the feminine désolé. However, this extra E makes no difference to the pronunciation, so you say désolé and désolé in the feminine in exactly the same way. Je suis désolé, mais je ne peux pas venir demain. Je suis désolé, mais je ne peux pas venir demain. I'm sorry, but I can't come tomorrow. Alternatively, you can simply say pardon, pardon. This can be used as a more casual, everyday version for minor things, like if you accidentally bump into somebody. Oh, pardon. Oh, pardon means, oh, sorry. So if you want to say I'm sorry in French, you can say Je suis désolé. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount.